हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपका स्वागत है एक बार फिर से 7th स्टैंडर्ड के सेकंड चैप्टर हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम लोग। तो क्वेश्चन है नेम द फॉलोइंग और आंसर हमारा यहाँ पर है। ओके, तो देखते हैं आंसर्स को। आंसर है द नेम द फॉलोइंग में द क्वीन ऑफ गुंडावना कौन थे? रानी दुर्गावती। रानी दुर्गावती वॉज द क्वीन ऑफ गुंडावना। द सन ऑफ उदय सिंह, उदय सिंह के बेटे कौन थे? महाराणा प्रताप। ठीक है। द फाउंडर ऑफ मुगल डायनेस्टी, मुगल डायनेस्टी को किसने बनाया, किससे शुरुआत हुई? बाबर ने बताया है ना। द फर्स्ट सुल्तान ऑफ बहामानी किंगडम कौन थे? आस हसन गंगू। ठीक है। द फाइटिंग फोर्स एस्टाब्लिश्ड बाय गुरु गोविंद सिंह, खालसा दल बोलते थे उसे। ठीक है। सुल्तान महमूद कुतुबुद्दीन ऐकब, महमूद गौरी, बाबर, सुल्तान महमूद। फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट, इसमें से ऑड वन आउट करना है जो सुल्तान रिलेटेड नहीं है। सुल्तान महमूद, कुतुबुद्दीन ऐकब, महमूद्दीन गौरी, बाबर, तो सुल्तान महमूद। आदिल शाही, निज़ाम शाही, सुल्तानेट, बिद शाही, तो सुल्तानेट नहीं है उसमें। ठीक है, ये 3 डायनेस्टी बने थे उसके बाद में। राइट। अकबर, हुमायूं, शेरशाह, औरंगजेब, तो शेरशाह नहीं है उसमें। आंसर ब्रीफली, हाउ डिड द किंगडम ऑफ विजयनगर एंड बहमानी इमर्ज्ड? During the reigns of Sultan Mahmud Taqif of Delhi, there were many revolts in the south against the central power of Delhi. ठीक है। From these revolts are the formidable Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms. What reforms did Mahmud Gawan make? Mahmud Gawan strengthened the Bahmani kingdom. He started paying the soldiers their salary in cash instead of through land grants. He brought discipline in the army. He introduced many reforms in the land revenue system. He opened a madrasa at Bidar for Arabic and Persian studies. Why did it become impossible for the Mughals to strengthen their base in Assam? While Aurangzeb ruled, the Ahoms had a prolonged struggle with the Mughals. The Mughals attacked the Ahom's region. The Ahoms united under the leadership of Godadr Shah. Commander Luchit Borphukan gave an intense battle against the Mughals. The Ahoms used the guerrilla technique in the conflict against the Mughals. It became impossible for Mughals to create a strong base in Assam. So these were the reasons. Write about them briefly in your own words. कृष्णदेवराय के बारे में लिखना है हमको। कृष्णदेवराय ascended the throne of विजयनगर in 1509 CE। ठीक है, वो कभी बने विजयनगर के राजा 1509 के CE में बने। He conquered विजयवाड़ा, राजमंड्री and annexed the region to his kingdom. He successfully took on the armies of the sultans who had united under the leadership of the Bhumani Sultan Muhammad Shah. During his region, the Vijayanagar kingdom extended far and wide. ठीक है, उनके राज्य में जो है बहुत आगे बढ़ा विजयनगर। He built the Hazar Ram temple and Vitthal temple in Vijayanagar. A scholar, he wrote Amuktalayada, a Telugu compendium on polity. Decline of the Vijayanagar kingdom began with his death in the year 1530. Chand Bibi was murdered. Chand Bibi, the capable daughter of Hussain Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, bravely defended the fort, displaying courage and Valia. At this time, there was an intense strife among the factions of the Sardars in Nizam Shahi's kingdom, resulting in the murder of the Chand Bibi. Rani Durgavati. Rani Durgavati, born in the dynasty Chindal Rajput, became the queen of Gundavana after her marriage. She was an excellent administrator. Her struggle against the Mughals is important in medieval history. After her husband's death, Durgavati laid down her life but refused to surrender while fighting against Akbar. Give reasons. The Brahmani kingdom disintegrated into five fragments. After the death of Muhammad Gawan, factionism increased among the Bahmanis Sardars. The conflict with the Vijayanagar kingdom had an adverse effect in the Bahmanis kingdom. The provincial governors began to act more independently. This led to the disintegration of the Bahmani kingdom into five small power: Imad Shahi of Warad, Brij Shahi of Bidar, Adil Shahi of Bijapur, Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, and Qutub Shahi of Golconda. Rana Singh's army was defeated. After the Battle of Panipat, Rana Singh of Mewar, daughter of Rajput kings, together brought all Rajput kings together. There was a battle between Babur and Rana Singh at Kanwa. Babur's artillery and reserve force played a key role in his battle, and Rana Singh's army was defeated. Rana Pratap has become immortal in history. After the death of Uday Singh, Maharana Pratap ascended the throne of Mewar. He continued the struggle for Mewad's existence. Till the very end, he struggled with Akbar to maintain his independence. He has become immortal in history due to his qualities of valor, courage, self-respect, and sacrifice. Aurangzeb imprisoned Guru Tej Bahadur. Guru Tej Bahadur protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Aurangzeb imposed him and beheaded him in 1675. The Rajputs fought against the Mughals. Akbar had secured the cooperation of the Rajputs with his policy of amicable relation. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajput. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Mewar, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom to the Mughal Empire. Durgadas Rathod crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son of Ajit Shah of Mewar, daughter Durgadas Rathod of Rathod fought hard against the Mughals and continued his struggle against the Mughals for the extension of Mewar. Complete the timeline. Establishment of Vijayanagar Kingdom 1336 CE. ठीक है, सो मिस है यहाँ पर 1347 CE में क्या हो गया, एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ बहामनी किंगडम हो गया. फिर 1509 में कृष्णदेवराय एक्सेंडेड द थ्रोन ऑफ विजयनगर. फिर 1526 में एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द मुगल पावर. Using the internet, find out more about one of the personalities you have studied here and fill in the boxes. I know. Obtain more information about the personalities mentioned in this chapter. Use reference book in the internet, newspaper, etc. Prepare a collage of the pictures information in your activity book and display in the history cell. ठीक है, so these were the things. Right, so these were the things like available we have seen. Now this is a fort of Devgiri, very nice fort. It looks really good when you visit, so I request all you people to, whenever possible, after lockdown gets over, just go to any of the fort nearby and like enjoy and see how our history is and feel that, right, it really looks nice. Okay, so be proud of the Indian history and right, so write all your answers, just try to understand the concept, evaluate, and if you do not find any answer, if you have any problem, you can just comment on this video, or you can visit our website at the end of the chapter, just go through it. All your questions, all your videos are available, right? So let's meet you with a new chapter. All the best, students.